Hello, this is a short video presentation on finding different roots. So far, all we have found is square roots. We can also find cube roots, fourth roots, etc. The way we write this, for instance, the cube root of 16. The root that we're taking goes right here. It must be written small. It must be nestled inside the radical like this. Don't make it look any differently. So to find the cube root of 16, we want to know, for instance, the cube root of 8 is 2 because 2 to the third root is 8. All right? We're going to do the exact same procedure that we've always done. We're going to break 16 down, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, and 2. But now instead of looking for pairs, we look for 3 of a kind. If I have 3 of a kind, it comes out, and what's left stays in the radical. But you must have that 3 right there. Okay? It's got to be there. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let's look at an example with variables. All right, here we're going to look at the fourth root of 2,430 times x to the fifth. Now, we're going to treat the variables separately, but the variables are actually the easiest part. So, 2430. It's even. I'm going to divide by 2. 1, 2, 1, 5. And then I'm going to divide by 5. And I have 2, 4, 243. And then I'm going to divide by 3, 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, and 3, 3. I'm looking for the fourth root, so I need 4 of a kind. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 3 comes out, and I have some stuff left over. Before I put that stuff that's left over, I'm going to look at my x's. I have 5 x's. You don't need to write this down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for 4 of a kind. That comes out. 3x. And now what's left inside? The fourth root. And 2 times 5 is 10. Times 3 is 30. And there was 1x left over. 30x. That's my answer. All right, one more example. Unlike with square roots, we can have negative numbers if the root is odd. So I want to look at the cubed root of 1080 cubed root, and again, take a little bit of time doing this. It's a silly reason to lose points. 1080 x to the 7th y to the 5th. And that's all inside the radical. So I'm going to start off with 1080. As long as the number is even, divide by 2. 540, 270, 135, no longer even, but I end on a 5. 5 goes into there, 27. 3, 9, 3, and 3. So now I see I have 3 2s. I see I have 3 3s. 2 times 3 is 6. And now I look at my variables. 7, I have 2 groups of 3. 5, I have 1 group of 3. The 7 and the 5 here. And now I have the cube root. Oh, this was supposed to be a negative number. Cube root. I have a 5. I have 1 x left over, and I have 2 y's. All right, we'll do one more super simple example. The cube root of negative 81. Because a negative times a negative times a negative is negative, we can take the cube root of negative 81. As soon as you see the cube root of a negative number, or the 5th root, you know your result is negative. Now I ignore it for the rest of the problem. 81, 327, 39, 3, 3. I have a pair of 3's. So I have negative 3 cube root of 3. All right. The negative always goes out. All right. That's all there is to it. It's really nothing more than what we've been doing. You're just looking for groups of 2, 3, 4, depending on what the root is. All right. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.